I am so excited. I ordered a mystery box of Amazon returns and it just came. And I'm gonna start making videos opening these. I have another one. So I'm so excited. But then my alarm went off on my phone and messed up my video. Here it is. Here it is open. Just can't tell you how excited I am about this. So the first thing is this HP LaserJet toner. Let's see. It's been opened. Probably someone returned a used one. I don't know if it's been used. What? Ooh, that sounds crunchy. That sounds crunchy. I don't know if this is any good. I'm gonna see if it fits my printer, because if it does and it works, that'd be great, because these are like $30. So, number one thing, HP LaserJet thing. Someone cut the, oh, they cut their address off because it came that way, probably. So, first item. Second item is this pet grooming kit. It has a kitten and a dog on the front. It is Unibono, and it is a little trimmer for animals. Does not appear to have been used, so that's exciting. There's like no hair in there. It's got all the different little trimmers and other little things. So I'll have to see if this has all the pieces, because that's exciting. Let's see. An outdoor HD sports camera. It says it's HD picture quality, blah, blah, blah. It's new in the package. And someone didn't even take it out. So that's exciting. It's not really got a new brand. It's got like a Chinese label here on the back. So cool, cool. Rulefist Q3 True Wireless Earbuds, and they are still sealed on one side. So I'm gonna leave them sealed, put them up. This is a nondescript box. Nondescript, what's in here? Oh, we got two things. We have a door window alarm, no brand. Another door window alarm, maybe for like if you have a security alarm at your house. This little fan that looks like it plugs in, ooh, don't drop it, plugs into like a, where your light bulb goes. All right. A Black & Decker iron. A wall trim. I actually need one of these. A wall trimmer for beards, and yeah, look at that. That's nice. To see if this actually works. We actually need one of these at my house. This is a wall home product, grooming, quick start guide. Ah, look at that. It shows on the picture, you can trim your beard or your chest. That's exciting. Make room here on the table. Comfort Flex Vicks. It's been opened. Thermometer to see if that's been used, because that could be gross. This is a very small little thing. Oh, it got batteries in there. Let's see. I tell you, I've been waiting for this to come all week. I am excited. Oh, these are little batteries that have been returned. Those ones that are like the shape of like a quarter. CR 2016. Two little batteries. we can actually use those at my house, so that's another exciting find. This doesn't say what it is, so we'll just open this up. This is like a little thing for your dog to lay on, I guess. Okay. A charge, expand, backup in one. Compact charger, 1T SSD, console dock card. I don't know what this is. This is what it looks like on the box. So many little things inside of things. So here it is. It is like a thing you can charge with. Cool. It's got a user manual. It says it's a portable docking station, CyberEyes 1, portable docking station. That's cool if it works. So I bought this online. I think it was like $130, including shipping. So I don't know if I'm gonna get my money back trying to sell some of this stuff on eBay or not. Wireless 1D laser barcode scanner. If that works, someone could use it in their business or whatever. Cool. Try and sell that on eBay. The box says it is a body guide scale. It looks like it has an app, FitDays app on the App Store or Google Play. If this is actually in here and works, let's check it out. It's got all the pieces. It's got the scale. Maybe that's what the batteries could go in there. So we'll see if that works, and we will see if we know anybody who could use one of them. So far, a lot of different stuff. Oh, look, potty training with Elmo book. It has the buttons like it would make noise if you pressed them, but it doesn't. So that's great. A clear blue pregnancy test. There's actually 20 tests in here, so let's see if that's expired. No, it's good until November of 2026. So it's like it's got like the strip that you pee on the strip and stick it in the reader. That's cool. Arctic Air personal air cooler. It's sealed on the top. So hopefully I'll open that up and that's all in one piece and hasn't been damaged in shipping. My alarm went off when I was in the middle of talking about this thing. So nondescript box, this little display. It has like a cord that it's supposed to plug into something. Looking at the instructions, I think you're supposed to put it on your bike and it keeps track of how far you've gone, how fast you're going. Maybe you can take a stationary bike and make it kind of like keep track of your cadence and stuff to do videos along with it. So there's that. Here are just some batteries taped to a piece of paper. Some more of those like quarter size ones. These are CR2032. We definitely use those in my house. Oh, great, even more batteries, CR2025. These are new in package. They have a bitter coating so kids won't put them in their mouth. The Body Shop Moringa Body Butter. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh. I would probably keep this. I don't mind it, but look, it's like all melted down at the bottom. That's cool. A phone case. It's called the New Case. It's a jelly pink case. It looks like it goes like on an iPhone. And this is cool. Oral-B Smart Limited Rechargeable Toothbrush. It has not, oh, someone did open it. you know, someone taped it shut, so I'm gonna check it out. Here it is. It's got a case you can take it with you places. It's got the thing. Oh, it turns on, someone charged it. Here's a little head it comes with. That's cool. It's got the recharging stand. So, turn it off, and I'm gonna stick it in here. Stick it in this, I don't think this is a carrying case it's supposed to go in. There we go. Put it in there. Back in the box. I'm gonna try and sell this on eBay, guys. And two more last things. This looks like it came out of the package. This is a Streamlight multi-fuel tactical light for full-size and compact railed handguns. So it's like a flashlight you can put on mount it on your gun. There's another one in here. You can see the picture. So that is cool. This one has some pieces that fell out. I'm gonna stick it back in there. So overall, I'm not gonna lie, this was worth the excitement to me. I had a lot of fun. Will I make my money back? Probably not. But some of it was for entertainment. So like and comment if you want me to do more of these. I'm willing to keep ordering things online. Check out in my link tree, you can see my various links. Maybe you can find, if you're interested in any of this stuff, find me on eBay. Definitely going to put up some of it. So thanks for watching.